In today's video, I'm going to teach you when and how to use frames in Miro. This includes how to contain items, navigate, export, and present using Miro boards. So, whether you're designing an interactive presentation or simply organizing your projects, frames can be a powerful tool to leverage. Let's dive right in. First, you'll start by heading over to Miro.com. If you don't have a Miro account yet, you'll need to set one up before proceeding, but assuming you do, go ahead and click on Log In. This will present you with the option to sign in either with your email or through your Google account, which can streamline the process. Let's go ahead and pick the method you prefer. If you're choosing to use your email, click on Continue with Email and enter your login details. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. From here, locate the board you want to work on and click to open it. Now here's where organizing your content comes into play. Frames are a great way to structure your board. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a toolbar. Click on the frame tool. It looks like a rectangle with a plus sign. This is where the magic starts. Select a frame size that best suits your content and drag it onto your board. Don't worry if it's not perfect right away. Miro makes it easy to adjust and resize, giving you flexibility here. Once your frame is in place, think about what content you want to contain within it. For this example, let's add tables and documents. Drag these items inside your frame. They will snap right into place, helping you keep everything nicely organized. With your items nestled in their frames, you're now ready to present. This is one of the great features of using frames in Miro. They make presenting seamless. Take your mouse up to the top right corner and click on the Present button. This will switch your view into presentation mode. To navigate through your frames, simply use the arrow keys on your keyboard. Right gives you the next frame while left brings you back to the previous. It's that easy. When you're done presenting, you'll want to exit this mode and consider exporting your board for sharing. Clicking export gives you several options to save your work. You can save it as a PDF or an image. Really, it depends on how you want to share it or archive it. Choose your preferred format and select the frame you'd like to export. And there you have it. Your framed Miro board is now saved and ready for whatever you need next. That's all there is to using frames in Miro. They're perfect for organizing content, simplifying navigation and enhancing your presentations, offering you both structure and flexibility. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful.